Samsung's Galaxy S26 Ultra is a smartphone that sets new standards for innovation, durability, and AI brilliance. With its 6000 nit QHD plus M14 OLED display, 144Hz refresh rate, and 3200Hz touch response, the phone delivers unparalleled smoothness in photography and video playback. Its advanced camera system is equipped with a quad-camera setup that offers up to 2x to 10x optical zoom, offering incredible flexibility for capturing landscapes, portraits, and action shots. Additionally, it includes an AI-powered quad-camera setup that enables real-time tone mapping, ensuring stunning photos every time. The phone's processor, powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 with a dedicated AI core, delivers faster performance, improved efficiency, and intelligent features like live translation and on-device image generation. With its titanium design and One UI 7.1 on Android 15, this smartphone offers both power and protection in one package. The phone's battery is also designed for longevity, featuring a 5.0. Stay tuned until the end. I will reveal the expected release window and price range together. And if you have not subscribed yet, make sure you do and tap the bell for more honest breakdowns. For materials and finish. The ultra-thin body measures 175.9mm x 83.0mm x 7.4mm and weighs just 179 grams, 6.2 ounces, ensuring that it feels comfortable in hand and fits seamlessly into any pocket or handbag. The aluminum frame is crafted with a high-quality anodized finish, giving the device a premium look and feel that's not easily replicated by other smartphones on the market. The Samsung Galaxy. Imaging hardware at a glance. Samsung's Galaxy S26 Ultra is a sight to behold, delivering an unparalleled camera experience with its cutting-edge hardware. The device features a 144Hz refresh rate and a 3200Hz touch response for smooth performance that ensures every shot feels buttery fast. The AI-powered quad-camera setup includes 2x telephoto lenses, 50MP, 8K recording capability, and real-time tone mapping, delivering stunning photos with excellent depth perception, detail retention, and vibrant colors. The Galaxy S26 Ultra's camera is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 SoC, which brings improved performance and efficiency to the table. The dedicated AI core ensures that live translation and on-device image generation are seamless, while the powerful processor delivers lightning-fast real-time processing power for all your photography needs. One of the key, how the tracking system works. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra's advanced tracking system utilizes AI technology to enhance the device's capabilities in various aspects, including navigation and user experience. The camera module is equipped with a quad-camera setup that features 10x optical zoom, enabling users to capture detailed images even in low-light conditions or during long-distance travel. This feature not only improves image quality, but also allows for more precise focusing at different focal lengths, offering better detail than traditional smartphone cameras. Moreover, the S26 Ultra's tracking system utilizes a dedicated AI core that helps optimize battery usage and power consumption by monitoring user movement patterns and adjusting settings accordingly. The camera module is connected to a separate processor responsible for processing image data, allowing it to perform real-time tone mapping during video recording, which enhances visual quality with natural colors and accurate contrast adjustments. The tracking system also includes features like live translation and on-device image generation, further enhancing the device's ability to navigate in different environments. Live translation allows users to communicate seamlessly across accessories combos and add-ons. Samsung's Galaxy S26 Ultra is a game-changer in the realm of premium smartphones, with its cutting-edge features and innovative design. The quad-camera setup with its 2x to 10x optical zoom, 8K recording, and real-time tone mapping provides stunning photography, while the One UI 7.1 on Android 15 ensures seamless performance and intelligent features like live translation and on-device image generation. For those seeking added convenience and functionality, Samsung offers a range of accessories and add-ons to enhance their Galaxy S26 Ultra experience. Battery life and charging details. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra offers a 5,000 mAh silicon carbon battery that delivers impressive MagSafe endurance. The battery is made of high-quality materials and is designed to withstand daily use with ease. The battery's charging capabilities are also top-notch with a fast-charging MagSafe feature that allows users to charge their phone in just minutes. With a wide range of connectivity options like Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.1, and USB-C, the S26 Ultra ensures seamless integration with other devices and accessories. Overall, the battery life and charging details on the Samsung Galaxy S2. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is a smartphone that sets new standards in innovation, durability, and AI brilliance. Its 144 Hz refresh rate ensures smooth video playback and crystal-clear visuals, while the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip delivers faster performance and improved efficiency. The phone's camera setup includes a quad-camera system with 2x to 10x optical zoom, supporting high-quality video recording in 8K resolution, real-time tone mapping for stunning photos, and live translation capabilities. Its sleek titanium design and One UI 7.1 on Android 15 make it not only visually appealing, but also user-friendly. The phone's battery capacity of 5,000 mAh is enough to provide ample power for everyday use, while also offering a long-lasting performance. Samsung's commitment to privacy display technology ensures that users' personal information remains safe and secure during usage. With its combination of these features and the powerful Galaxy chip, the S26 Ultra promises to redefine premium smartphones in terms of both aesthetics and functionality. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is. If this breakdown helped, please subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.